Hello. So in this tutorial, what I want to show you how to do is how to fund your Flitaa or your bundle wallet. Remember, I told you I prefer Flitaa because of their reward system, right? But if I was buying, now the thing is that sometimes, as of now rather, bundle has more coins than Flitter. That's for those who maybe you are trading crypto. I'm speaking for those who are either investing in crypto or buying crypto. Bundle has more coins. Bundle has some coins that Flitter does not have. But if Flitter has the coin that I want to buy at the moment, I would rather buy on Flitter than on Bundle because I love their reward system. That's just it. Aside from that, there's no other essential difference between Flitter and bundle, as the case may be. All right, so that's it. So if you want to, before you can buy, in this case, depending on the coin you want to buy, but before you can buy any coin, right, you have to first deposit. You have to bring in money. Now, remember, in the last tutorial, what we did was I showed you how to verify your account. Once verification is done, now you're ready to move money in. Now, you're going to click on the deposit option. When you click on deposit, they're going to ask you, is it cash deposit? So you click on yes. Now people are wondering, how is it that Flitter and Bundle allow you to be able to buy crypto from your bank? Now it's not like you can buy directly actually. So what they have is they have an inbuilt peer-to-peer system, meaning that they have people within the Flitter, they have people in the Flitter company who actually will be the ones that will receive your money, and then they will not transfer that money into your Flitter wallet. So they're like an intermediary, but they are in the company. The difference between this and what would I call it, Binance peer-to-peer, is that Binance peer-to-peer usually, of course, anybody can come on and register and order. Yes, it's all secure. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with Binance peer-to-peer. But the reason I don't use Binance is because for most people the interface is too it's too busy, and some people don't know where to switch to the simple interface from. So that's why I use Flitter and Bundle, and of course because it just make the whole process easier. So once you click on cash deposit, you click on the amount you want to send in. Let's say 60,000 you want to bring in, for example, and you click on continue. Now when you click on that, it's going to show you the people who are verified in the system that you can pay your money to. Once you will never see an unverified person in Flitter. Same thing with Bundle also. You will never see an unverified person. Now, so once you click on that, click on pay this merchant. So they will give you this bank details. Now you see name, Flitter, account number, this account number, bank name, Keystone Bank, and all that. What you are to do is you are going to go to your banking app. Let me open my banking app, for example. Sorry for the delay. Oh, geez. GT Bank, please now. All right, so. All right. Okay. So you are going to go to your banking app, and then you are going to enter, you're going to copy these details, and you are going to fix it in, like you want to do a transfer to a person, right? So click on transfer, depending on which banking app you use. I think this will be new beneficiary here. In this case, it's whatever, another bank. So I'll just type Keystone Bank. All right. So then the account number. So you come here, you see this two rectangle beside the account number. Just tap on those rectangles. It will automatically copy the account number. So you don't have to be typing it manually. Just click on those rectangles. It will beside each item. So in this case, right? All right. So you just copied. All right. And then you come here and then you place it. You paste it. Once you paste it, it will bring out the name of the account holder, and then you now enter the amount that you originally want to. Now please, I beg you, it's very important, make sure that you are paying the exact amount that you entered, that you wanted to fund with. Do not allow your amount that you are paying in to be different from what you're actually sending in your bank account. This is very important. So once you do that, then you should also copy the transaction ID, copy this transaction ID, and then come here, copy the transaction ID, and then copy, let's say the amount is 60,000, right? So in the remarks section, please do not include anything that has to do with crypto. I beg you, don't write a payment for crypto. Oh, don't. Just put the amount, paste. Once you do that, that's the transaction ID, right? And then you just click on continue, and then you enter your password, and then you send. Once you have finished sending and you have confirmation that it has gone, then you now click on I have done this transfer. So what will happen now? I can't click that, right, because I'm not transferring money, right? But if you click that, what is going to happen is that the system is going to hold your money pending the time that that person has successfully transferred the equivalent of your money into your Flitaa wallet. So it's like an escrow system, so that it's not be like, I transfer money, they have collected my money, they have not credited my account. It might take a while, it might take, like, depending on at what time of the day you're transferring and the volume of transfers that they have to do, but it's usually not, on average, no more than 5 minutes, right? So once they receive the money, you would, of course, you have already clicked I've done the transfer. You're just waiting. The system will hold your money and then wait for them to respond. Once they credit your own Flitaa wallet account, then the system will update you that your account has been credited. That's only when it will send the money to them. If they do not do that, the system will hold the money. And if it happens that the money gets to them, right, and they have not done the transfer, the system will always, you can always dispute that, but it is very, very stress-free. You have absolutely nothing to worry about. So in this case, I'll just cancel the deposit, right? Kindly confirm that I did not make this payment. This cash, yeah, I did not make the payment. There's nothing I'm doing. All right, so that is for Flitaa, right? So that is how you move money in. Now let's go to bundle. So for bundle, the process is not different. They also have an inbuilt peer-to-peer system. So for bundle, look at the top of the screen. You can see somewhere they wrote add cash. Add cash. So you can click on add cash. All right, then you click on fund with cash link. Now, this option is you have money in your bank account, you want to fund what they call their own system, cash link, right? Flitaa does not have a name for their own system. So fund with cash link, and then you click on cash link. So you click on simple, fast, blah, 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 continue. So you enter the amount. Now, bundle has transaction charges that they will add to whatever it is. So let's say we want to do 60,000, right? And then click on next. So it will show you all the exchangers, to show you all the verified vendors, where will you be making your payment from, blah 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 blah, Kuda, Guarantee Trust Bank, add a new payment method. So when you get to this page, now to make it simple and easy, cash link on bundle has bank accounts that you would have added before, that you probably usually used to do your payments normally, right? So if, for example, I used to use Kuda, so I had added Kuda before, and then I used to use Guarantee Trust Bank. So in your own case, you will not have anything here, to be blank. So you have to add the bank that you will be doing your own transfer from. So if it's bank transfer, you click on bank transfer, or if you have any other option you use, you click that. But of course, in this case, it will be bank transfer. So you now enter the name of your bank. You search for it here, you enter it, and then also the bank account number. So once you do that, you save it. Once you save it, so anytime you want to transfer, because what it does is that it is going to match your bank with it's going to match your bank account with other people who are using that same bank, right? And their charges usually vary. So let's say I'm doing transfer from Guarantee Trust Bank, for example. You should now look for matches. So you see all the people who have Guarantee Trust Bank accounts. Now see their transaction fees. So it's 100 naira. Some don't have transaction fees. Some may have 75 naira. Some may have 25 naira. But usually I don't look at the fee. I look at the speed of the completion. So sometimes you are able to balance having speed of completion, having somebody who has a very fast speed of completion with very, very cheap rates. This amount is usually not plenty, so there's no really I don't mind if they deduct it from my so what I will usually do, right? Maybe if I'm sending a substantial amount of money in, I can just add like maybe like 200 naira or anywhere from 200 naira or 500 naira on top. So instead of doing 60,000, I would have originally typed 60,500. See, so 60, that's to cover for the charges, right? If I know this is the exact amount I want to move in, 60,500. So then I'll select the bank. Once I select the bank, then I'll match, I'll select the bank, and then you see, and I'll just select the kidney. So please make sure that whatever amount, so let's say you select this person, right? So send, it will now say send deposit request. So you see, it will not, these same details will come out again, the account name, the account number, and all that stuff. Please do not transfer more than the amount of money that you originally indicated that you wanted to deposit. Don't go and be doing 60,600 because you think they will remove the 100 naira extra on top. They won't. So it has been included in the charges already. The 100 naira fees included. So transfer exactly that. Once you have done the transfer, just like I showed you in the other example, remember you copy the account number, click on this green rectangle behind the account number, you copy the account number, you paste it in your banking app, copy the reference number, put it in the narration or your description section. Please do not include anything that has to do with crypto, I beg you. So then do the transfer. Once you have done that, then you click on I have paid. So the system will hold your money until that person credits your account, and then the system will now send the money to their own account already. So once it's done, the system will notify you that the money has been paid into your bundle wallet, as the case may be. So it will reflect, the money will reflect both in your, if it was on Flitaa, it will reflect in your portfolio value here, or sorry, it will reflect here rather. But this place where you have this Naira sign, the amount of money you have in there will reflect there. If it's on bundle, it will reflect here. It will show you the amount of money that you have in Naira and also show you the dollar equivalent. So now the next tutorial will be how do you actually buy crypto or digital coin or digital currency on these apps. So that will see you in the next tutorial.